Hello, welcome to Edubbey dynamic page. Today, let us look at KYC in relation to cryptocurrency, enhancing transparency and security. 1. Introduction. Emergence of cryptocurrency. The rise of cryptocurrencies has introduced new challenges and opportunities in the realm of Know Your Customer (KYC) compliance. While cryptocurrencies offer advantages such as decentralization and anonymity, they also present risks related to financial crimes and illicit activities, making KYC procedures essential for maintaining regulatory compliance and ensuring the integrity of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. 2. Importance of KYC in cryptocurrency. Mitigating financial crimes. KYC procedures in cryptocurrency exchanges and platforms help mitigate the risk of financial crimes such as money laundering, terrorist financing, and fraud. By verifying the identity of users and assessing their risk profile, cryptocurrency businesses can detect and prevent illicit activities within their platforms. Ensuring regulatory compliance. Cryptocurrency exchanges and other service providers are subject to regulatory requirements, including AML, anti-money laundering, and CFT, counter-financing of terrorism, regulations. Implementing robust KYC processes is essential for complying with these regulations and avoiding legal and regulatory sanctions. Protecting investors and users. KYC procedures enhance the security and integrity of cryptocurrency transactions by ensuring that users are legitimate and trustworthy. By verifying the identity of users and monitoring their activities, cryptocurrency platforms can protect investors and users from fraud, scams, and unauthorized access. 3. Future trends in KYC for cryptocurrency. Technological innovation. Advances in technology, such as biometric authentication, digital identity solutions, and blockchain-based identity verification, offer opportunities to streamline KYC processes and enhance security while improving the user experience. Regulatory evolution. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is evolving rapidly, with regulators around the world increasing their focus on AML and CFT compliance. Cryptocurrency businesses must stay abreast of regulatory developments and adapt their KYC processes accordingly to ensure compliance. Collaboration and standardization. Collaboration between cryptocurrency businesses, regulators, and technology providers is essential for developing common standards and best practices for KYC compliance. Standardization efforts can improve interoperability, reduce compliance costs, and enhance the effectiveness of KYC processes in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. 4. Conclusion. KYC procedures play a crucial role in ensuring the security, integrity, and regulatory compliance of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. By implementing robust KYC processes, cryptocurrency businesses can mitigate the risk of financial crimes, protect investors and users, and contribute to the legitimacy and long-term sustainability of the cryptocurrency industry. As technology evolves and regulatory requirements evolve, continued innovation, collaboration, and adaptation will be essential for enhancing KYC processes in the cryptocurrency space.